A very good morning to all my dear kids. I hope that all of you are doing very well. So, my dear children, in the previous video of value education, we did lesson number 8 of our value education books, that is Never Give Up, in which we read the chapter and I explained it to you. So now in today's video we are going to do the back exercise of this lesson. So I request you all to open up your value education books, page number 32. So my dear kids, please keep a pencil and eraser in your hands. Now, let us begin with the back exercise. So, first part of our back exercise is the question time, in which the first question is fill in the blanks. The first part is King Bruce was attacked by his dash. So, by whom was he attacked, children? The King Bruce was attacked by his enemy. So please everyone write down enemy. Now the second part, he ran away and dashed inside the cave. After being attacked by his enemy, the King Bruce, he lost the battle. Okay, and then he just went into a forest, and what did he do in the cave? He hid inside the cave. So please write down hid. Children, hid is the second form of it's a past form of hide. Okay, so which means to like जिसको हम बोलते हैं छुपना. The third part, the king saw a dash spinning a web, and when he was lying inside the cave, when he was very scared and he was tired and he was just taking rest in the cave, then he saw, what he saw? Who was spinning the web? It was a spider. Please write down spider, everyone. He saw a spider spinning a web. Now the fourth part, he decided not to dash. Then when he saw the spider, it was spinning a web, and after many attempts, when he saw that the spider was able to spin the web easily, okay, after 6 attempts of failure, when he got succeeded in the 7th attempt, the king then learned a lesson from the spider, and he decided not to give up. So please write it down, everyone, not to give up. I told you earlier also, not giving up means, never giving up means kabhi haar nahi manna. So we should also never give up. Now the fifth part is King Bruce fought dash his kingdom back. So what you will write here, then after learning the lesson from the spider, the King Bruce, he decided that he is going to fight, okay, for his kingdom again. So he decided to fight the battle. Please write it down, everyone. And when he fought the battle, what he did? He won his kingdom back. So please write it down, everyone. Please write down the answers. Okay, now we come to the next part of the back exercise, which is time to think, in which we have to read this poem. So let's read the poem again. Okay, now the name of the poem is Try, Try and Try Again. Okay, so let us read it. If I fail, I won't give up. I will try, try and try again. I will learn from the mistakes I make and see they never happen again. If I lose, it doesn't mean that I will never win again. Until I finally succeed, I will try again. What a good poem it is. Isn't it very nice, children? What does it mean? Okay, as we can see in the picture, this magic cube. Okay, so how many of you are having it? Like it's most of us must be having it. So it happens while rearranging this cube that we don't get the success in the first attempt only. We are not able to arrange it only in the first attempt. Yes, so we, after many attempts of arranging it, then only we get the success. Yes, then only we get the properly arranged cube. Yes, so do we give up? Should we give up if we just don't get the success in the first attempt? No. As the poem says, as the poet says, that we should never give up. Even if we fail one time. Yes, even if we failed one time, we will try and try again. Keep on trying. Okay, then in the first attempt, if you have made a mistake, like in the second attempt, you get to know that okay, I have done this thing here, now I'm not going to repeat this. Yes, so that means we learn from our mistakes also. Okay, whatever mistakes we make, they make us strong. Okay, for the next time. Okay, then they will never happen again. Suppose you have done a mistake one time, you have done anything one time, and you know that I have done it wrong, so you will not repeat it again. Yes, if I lose and if you lose, okay, if you don't win one time, that doesn't mean that you will never win again. अगर हम एक बार हार जाते हैं तो हम सेकेंड टाइम हमारे जीतने के चांसेस और बढ़ जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो इफ आई लूज इट डजंट मीन दैट आई विल नेवर विन अगेन. एंड अंटिल आई फाइनली सक्सीड, जब तक हम जीत नहीं जाते, वी शुड ट्राई एंड ट्राई अगेन. व्हाट अ ब्यूटिफुल पोएम इट इज. यस चिल्ड्रन, सो sometimes you may not succeed in what you do. You should not give up, though it is easier to do so. It means that if we just fail one time, अगर हम एक बार फेल हो जाते हैं and we just give up, we say that we are not going to do this thing again, so it's very easier to do. Okay, so we should never give up. It is harder to keep trying, but it is only if you keep trying that you will succeed. That means, my dear kids, that if we are going to try again and again, trying again and again is harder. Okay, it's boring too. But if you will keep on trying, you are going to get the success one time. Each time you fail, try and find out why you didn't succeed. Okay, whenever we fail, हम पता लगाने की कोशिश करते हैं ना. if teacher deducts marks in paper, we keep on asking her, na ma'am, why have you deducted my marks over here? So we should find out the reason, that why we were not correct, how can we correct ourselves, and how can we do it better next time. Each time you try, you learn something new. Okay, whenever we try something, every time we learn something new. This way you will soon learn how to succeed. So my dear kids, every time in anything, whenever you fail, so just don't give up over there only. Okay, my dear children, please, from next time, remember my words, and please never ever be scared to try it again. Just try again, because only after trying again you are going to get the success. So that is all about today, my dear children. We will continue with the back exercise of this lesson in the next class. So thank you everyone, and keep trying and never give up. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.